EasyLog. Two simple words, but they say everything about our products and our brand. Since Lascar Electronics introduced the world's first USB data loggers, the EasyLog range has grown to offer a diverse number of simple-to-use, versatile, and cost-effective instruments for measuring and storing temperature, humidity, carbon monoxide, voltage and current for a wide range of data logging applications. Track the storage temperature of vaccines so they're at their most effective when given to patients. Ensure an optimum temperature and humidity environment for priceless exhibits. Check the efficiency of heating and cooling systems within a warehouse, office space or store. Monitor indoor air quality at home or in the office. Check the efficiency of office and household appliances. Integrate EasyLog into your device to add data logging capability to a new or existing design. For these and many other applications, the EasyLog range has a solution. To get started, choose a communications platform that's right for you. EasyLog loggers support both USB and remote technologies, such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC or cellular. When you have your logger, simply connect. Choose your logging settings using our free and easy-to-use software or app. Install the data logger in your application and begin logging. Alarm set. Let the logger tell you when your environment gets too hot or too cold. When ready, download, graph, analyze, and record the data that's been gathered. You can view data on your PC, smartphone, tablet or laptop before saving locally or to the cloud. To find out which EasyLog is right for your application, visit www.lascarelectronics.com. It simply couldn't be easier.